Hi, I'm Michael from Masseuse Massage Chairs. I've got with me today the brand new Chiro Plus massage chair. In this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to put it together so that you can sit back and have an amazing relaxing massage. The chair is actually in one piece ready to go. All you really have to do is take away the packaging and set it up and then sit back and enjoy. So sometimes it's easier having more than one person, so I'm going to need Chrissy to help me unpack it. This is how it's done. So it really is as simple as that. Once you've plugged in the chair, all you have to do is connect the 4 zips . Then sit back, relax, and enjoy an amazing massage.